Hello everyone, this is Gelasam Priyanka from HKVQ College of Engineering conducting the news analysis of 6th November 2021, mainly focused on Indian national news. India France to deepen the maritime security talk, Afghanistan. India and France held their second strategic dialogue on Friday with National Security Advisor Ajit Doval discussing Afghanistan, Indo-Pacific and strengthening the maritime security with Emmanuel Bonney, diplomatic advisor to President Emmanuel Macron in Paris. The National Security Advisor and the diplomatic advisor to President Macron had a detailed discussion on both countries strengthening the maritime security with France willing to supply the latest technology in the subsurface dimensions, including underwater drones. And also, the French foreign minister discussed the priorities in the fight against the climate change, according to the statement issued by the French embassy. Bharat Biotech's US partner Ocugen seeks FDA approval for Covaxin used for children below 18 years. Ocugen, Bharat Biotech's partner for USA for its COVID-19 vaccine, said that it had submitted a request to the US Food and Drug Administration for emergency use authorization of Covaxin for children in the age group 2 to 18 years, and the approval request is based on results of a phase 2 by 3 pediatric clinical trial conducted by Bharat Biotech in India with 526 children 2 to 18 years of age, which demonstrated comparable neutralizing antibody response as seen in a large adult phase 3 clinical trial conducted in India. Covaxin was recently awarded as emergency use listing by the WHO. A tragic news from Maharashtra. 10 dead and 7 injured as fire breaks out in Maharashtra's hospital. At least 10 elderly patients who were being treated for COVID-19 infection in the ICU of a civil hospital in Maharashtra's Ahmednagar district died in a fire on Saturday morning. Maharashtra's Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has asked the district collector to probe the incident. Fire injured were shifted to the another room. The district collector Rajendra Bhosle claimed that the short circuit could have happened the fire inside the ICU ward set up around 18 months ago. However, the exact cause of fire can only be determined by following detailed investigation. Delhi is unlikely to see major improvement in air quality till Monday. Triggered by the bursting of firecrackers on Diwali and stubble burning in neighboring states, Delhi is unlikely to see any major improvement in the air quality till Monday. The air quality in Delhi remains in the hazardous category 2 days after Diwali, and the situation is unlikely to improve till the next week amid reports of stubble burning in the neighboring states of Punjab and Haryana. Punjab alone has 3,500 stubble burning spots, as shown by the satellite data from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. These spots are unlikely to reduce immediately as the peak harvesting season is going to start in the agrarian states of Punjab and Haryana, and hence the problem might actually aggravate if the meteorological conditions become unfavorable once again. The National Defense News. The third Goa Maritime Conclave to begin on Sunday to host heads of 12 navies from Indian Ocean region. The Navy official said that the Chief of the Naval Staff Admiral Karambir Singh would host the chiefs of navies or heads of maritime forces from 12 Indian Ocean littorals. The third edition of the Goa Maritime Conclave, the Indian Navy's outreach initiative, will be held between November 7th and 9th, where traditional threats in the Indian Ocean region and other issues will be discussed, a Navy spokesperson said. The chiefs of navies or heads of maritime forces 12 Indian Ocean littorals, Bangladesh, Comoros, Indonesia, Madagascar, Malaysia, Maldives, Mauritius, Myanmar, Seychelles, Singapore, Sri Lanka and Thailand will participate in the event, he said. And the third edition of Goa Maritime Conclave 2021 is being held from November 7th to 9th under the aegis of Naval War College, Goa. The GMC is the Indian Navy's outreach initiative providing a multinational platform to harness the collective wisdom of practitioners of maritime security and academia towards garnering outcome-oriented maritime thought, the Indian Navy said in a media statement. and the conclave would build upon the working level deliberations of the Goa Maritime Symposium 21 held in the May this year. As the Sherpa event for the conclave, the spokesperson said. And the Chief of the Naval Staff, Admiral Karambir Singh, would host the chiefs of navies or heads of maritime forces from 12 Indian Ocean littorals, the Navy official said. The different Secretary and Foreign Secretary would deliver the conclave address and the keynote address at the GMC 21, he said. And now the COVID 19 news. India logs 11,903 fresh COVID 19 cases, active cases loaded lowest in over 8 months. As many as 11,903 fresh infections of the coronavirus disease were detected in the country in the last 24 hours, taking the cumulative infection count to 3,43 lakhs 8,140, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said on Wednesday. The ministry also noted that the national active caseload declined further to 15,109, falling by 2,567 cases, and it at its lowest point in 52 days, comprising just 0.44% of the total case count. This figure is the lowest since March 2020. And the bulletin further showed that daily recoveries from the illness stood at 14,159, with the total number of such cases rising to 33 crores 69,700. 33 crores 69 lakhs 7,740. Daily fatalities were down to 311 as against 443 a day ago, taking the total toll to 459191 recoveries and the related deaths comprising 98.22% and 1.34% of the overall caseload.
Thank you, guys. Have a good day.